Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up something else that came out of that mystery box we got. It says Letsfit Sleep Sound Machine. 14 natural sounds, high quality sound. This is, I think, supposed to play and let you put you to sleep at the same time. Let's see. Directions is just a little card. Tap to turn on and off the night light. Tap to decrease the volume. Tap to increase the volume. Tap to play previous track. Tap to play next track. Turn on and off. Let's see what we got here. See how this is. Here is actually a more involved, how do I use it, directions. We'll go through that. Okay, this doesn't have a battery in it, so this will need to be plugged in right here. We'll get it plugged in for you and show you how to use it. Right there. We'll get it plugged in, and there's your cord. Plug it in. And here's your jack right there on the back. Okay. Well, it sounds like it is. Here it is. And here on top you've got next and previous, volume. See there? Sounds like rain, doesn't it? Let's see what the next one sounds like. There's rain. That's good music. That might put me to sleep. Next. Next. Dripping water, sounds like a spring. Little creek. Heavy rain sounds like. Might tell you in here what these are. Yeah. More noise for wind sounds like. Birds, singing birds it says. Crickets. Clothes dryer. Clothes dryer again. Another one. Fan noise. And that's a heavy fan. Brown noise. Pink noise. White noise. Rockabye baby. Hush little baby. Twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, I think that's enough for right now. It says tap the grill and the night light comes on. Ah, look at there. Tap it again, it goes off. Has an auto timer, T. You can set your timer right here for plus and minus time. It says press the T timer for 15, 30, 60, 90, and 120 minutes or turn off the timer. Okay. Well, there it is. That's a pretty nifty little thing. That might help some of us go to sleep. That rain, I always sleep better in the rain. Not out in the rain, of course, but when it's raining. But well, this is another one of those things that came out of the mystery box. We've got some more. We'll get them up here. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video. If you'd like to make a donation, there's links in the description below to Patreon and PayPal, either one. And please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of more of our videos, and we'll see you next time.